Yeah. I hate all the products served in the student vending machines like this one. All of the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in this teacher's lounge. And yay. It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay. I just bought real soda. Oh hell no. I'm busted. It's Principal Luna.
Crazy pig. I saw footage from the security camera that you used the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you will be really mad. But, yes, I did.
Oh 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 oh. Crazy pig. How dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You're now suspended for 411 weeks. Get out of here and go home right now.
Crazy pig. I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those vending machines are restricted for your school teachers and administration only.
But Mom and Dad, the soda in the student vending machines tasted gross.
I don't care. You're grounded for 437 weeks.
Go to bed now.
Vaya.